You know how I say I'm trying to figure some things out, and I'm just learning some things about what's going on around me. I don't know if y'all can hear that knocking or that noise. It is like one some going like 2 in the morning. That's my daughter's boyfriend up there. She not home. She at work. But that's him upstairs. And this is what I be telling her. He be making all type of noise. He walk all night. He do different stuff. He rambles, he beats, he bangs. But the reason I said today because I'm noticing like when he does that and then he keeps turning on the faucet and then he'll like come and walk towards the back and in the front, I guess, to see if I'm woke or not. But it's the activity when he did that, the activity outside picked up because I sometimes I leave the scanner on. So I noticed that. I said a little prayer, but like I said, I'm going to step out of it. But I will be so glad when I get my own place because that energy, these two can't mix. And so young people, sometimes y'all got to realize when y'all bring certain people into your space, when it can't, it's when it's not supposed to mix. You know, you may love a person and you may try to work with them or whatnot and things of that nature, but some people, you just can't mix with them. It's just the whole atmosphere, whole everything just change. You know, there's a whole lot of other stuff, but I won't mention because my daughter, she don't be wanting me to talk about it and stuff like that because she feels it's her relationship, but the whole atmosphere, everything just change when this boy come around. But, you know, I'm going to leave it there. But yeah, I noticed that. So I just been praying that God removes it, and once he removes me, I know I ain't got to come back around it no more. Once I get my own space, I don't have to come back around it no more. And certain things, I don't have to be bothered with it no more. So if that's what she wants to be bothered with, it's all her choice. You know, and I will let her do it because I told her I have disconnected from it. I mean, even with the baby. Now he done turned the TV and stuff down because he know now that I'm talking, and I will not stop talking because I'm over it. It's about 1, 2 in the damn morning, and you making noise as if you are a toddler. But you'll go get on the phone with your mama and getting the calling them when she talking to you and telling because she got to go to work the next day and you want to play the video game and you making noise and you not being supportive and stuff like that and you banging, and you talking about somebody treating you like a kid. Well, look how you acting. Look how you show up in the world. You know? So, yeah. You people, you young folks, you need to start taking account of your actions and the things that you do around here. Because everybody ain't got to keep up with it. Everybody ain't got to be bothered with you. And everybody not going to clean your energy or be put up with your energy. And you ain't going to keep going around saying that nobody like you because nobody didn't have nothing against you. But everybody ain't going to allow that shit up in they space. That's why I stay down here, you know. to keep it from trying to be up in my energy. But yeah, I know what's going on. But ever since he been banging and knocking and all that, even the scanner picked up. But if they connected to that devil, every last one of them gonna get caught. That's what I speak into the atmosphere. Look, the baby crying, everything. It ain't like you washing no dishes up there. It ain't like you're fixing none of that. So what's the point of it all? When you need to go sit your ass down some goddamn well, and sit in peace.